Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic that many of you have been curious about. Girls do this when they want to ignite sexual chemistry with a guy. Now, before we delve into this, it's essential to remember that any form of attraction and chemistry should always be consensual and respectful. So, let's explore some subtle and intriguing cues that women may use to ignite sexual chemistry with a guy. Segment 1: Eye contact. The first sign that a woman may use to ignite sexual chemistry is through prolonged eye contact. When she locks eyes with you and holds the gaze, it could be a subtle invitation for deeper connection. Segment 2: Physical touch. Pay attention to her physical touch. Lightly grazing her hand against yours or leaning in close during a conversation could indicate a desire for closer intimacy. Segment 3: Flirting and teasing. Playful flirting and teasing are classic signs of sparking attraction. If she teases you or uses double entendre, it's her way of creating a fun and flirtatious dynamic. Segment 4: Laughing at your jokes. If she finds everything you say genuinely funny and laughs at your jokes, it's a sign she enjoys your company and wants to create a positive connection. Segment 5: Initiating physical proximity. Notice if she deliberately initiates physical proximity, such as sitting close or finding reasons to be near you. It's an invitation for more intimate interactions. Segment 6: Subtle mirroring. Women may subconsciously mirror your body language and gestures if they feel a strong attraction. It's an unconscious way of building rapport and connection. Segment 7: Compliments. Listen to how she compliments you. Genuine compliments that go beyond appearance may indicate she's attracted to your personality and character. Segment 8: Talking about intimate topics. If she opens up and shares personal or intimate stories with you, it's a sign she's comfortable and wants to create a deeper connection. Segment 9: Sending flirty texts. Pay attention to her text messages. If she sends flirty and playful texts, it's a clear sign she's interested in more than just friendship. Segment 10: Initiating plans. If she takes the initiative to plan outings or events to spend time with you, it's a positive sign she wants to nurture the relationship. Segment 11: Discussing future plans. If she casually brings up future plans that involve you, it may indicate she sees you as a potential partner. Segment 12: Expressing desire. Listen to any subtle hints of desire or attraction she may express. She might drop hints about finding you attractive or wanting to know you better. Segment 13: Active listening. If she actively listens to what you say, shows genuine interest, and remembers small details about your life, it's a sign she values the connection. Segment 14: Initiating intimate conversations. A woman interested in igniting sexual chemistry may initiate intimate conversations or discuss topics related to relationships and attraction. Segment 15: Initiating physical contact. Observe if she initiates casual physical contact like touching your arm or hugging you. It's a subtle way of expressing affection and interest. Remember, recognizing these signs doesn't mean making assumptions or pushing boundaries. Communication and respect are essential in any relationship. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and nurture your relationships with love and care.